You want to become a hacker, not just watch hacking videos, but actually break into systems legally and understand how attacks really work. But when people say, start with CTFs, you open one, and suddenly you're staring at a terminal like it owes you money. And somehow, the flag was in the first file you ignored. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how beginner-friendly CTFs work, how hackers actually solve them step by step, and why this is the fastest way to level up your hacking skills. And near the end, I'll tell you the #1 mistake that keeps beginners stuck forever. CTF stands for Capture the Flag. It's not a game, it's a legal cyber battlefield. Your mission is simple: find the flag, a secret string hidden somewhere inside a system. But the path to that flag? That's where hackers are made. CTFs train you to think like an attacker, because defenders don't lose sleep, attackers do. Here's why CTFs are beginner-friendly, even when they feel impossible. They don't expect you to know everything. They expect you to learn by breaking things. You'll touch real tools hackers use in the wild: Nmap, Metasploit, Linux commands, web exploits. Basically, CTFs say, congrats, you're confused. That means it's working. If you're learning cybersecurity seriously, hit like so YouTube knows you want more content like this. Beginner CTFs usually fall into a few categories: web exploitation, broken logins, hidden admin panels. Sometimes the password is literally in robots.txt. Cryptography, encrypted messages that look scary until you realize the key is password 123. Forensics, deleted files, memory dumps, the flag hiding in metadata, judging you silently. Reverse engineering, opening binaries in tools like Ghidra, pretending you understand assembly until one line gives everything away. CTFs don't test how smart you are. They test how long you refuse to quit. Let me simplify how a real beginner CTF works. Step 1, enumeration. Hackers don't guess. We enumerate. Using Nmap, we scan the target, find open ports, and look for weak doors. Step 2, find something old. Most beginner machines run outdated software, like old Drupal versions, which is how exploits like Drupalgeddon exist. And yes, hackers love outdated systems more than free Wi-Fi. Step 3, exploit. Using tools like Metasploit, one vulnerability turns into a shell. Now you're inside the system, but not as root yet. Step 4, privilege escalation. This is where beginners panic. But tools like GTFO bins show you how normal Linux binaries accidentally become weapons. That moment you type ID and see root, that's when hacking finally clicks. Here's the mistake that destroys beginners. They rush exploits without understanding Linux basics. CTFs don't fail beginners. Weak Linux fundamentals do. If this just made sense, subscribe, because the next videos build directly on this. CTFs teach patience, curiosity, and how attackers chain tiny mistakes into full compromises. You stop memorizing commands and start thinking like a hacker. Now, here's what to do next. If you want to actually win CTFs, you must master Linux commands hackers use daily. So watch this next video, Top 50 Linux Commands for Hackers.